Alright everyone, Dean Park Tracker here with another update on the new coaster at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Things are moving really quick, so let's dive right into it.
After that, you can have all your problems yourself.
Six Flags is committed to being a greener, more environmentally friendly place to play. All around the park, you'll see and experience...
Well, that wraps up the new ride construction. Now I want to talk about something else happening in the park. They have put markers in the ground in front of Big Belly Burger and added silver railings to the column post of the shade structure. I'm almost certain they're improving the operations of this location by adding a one line for multiple window system. This is something almost all the food locations need in the park, instead of waiting in multiple individual lines for a single window, where you could have lines that move really quick or some that don't because of complicated orders. The park also has a huge advantage in that they can close and open windows without frustrating guests. For example, when a window opens, everyone rushes to it. Or when they try to close a window because of scheduling, it was impossible to do with the constant long lines at each window, and the only way to close it was to have a team member stand at the individual line to close that window. This is something this location suffers from the most, along with many others in the park. The white markers on the ground could indicate a switchback queue coming with, hopefully, fingers crossed, a shade structure up above it, similar to the one they built over the security screening area in front of the park. Those silver handrails look like they are going to make their way in front of the rest of the windows. An employee would tell guests which window is open on busy days, similar to how they do it at Hurricane Harbor at their only food location for the entire water park, Red Eye's Kitchen. Again, the switchback queue where these markers are is just speculation on my part, but it seems like the most likely outcome. We'll keep you updated on this little project that should hopefully improve the food operations. Well, that's all for this update. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.